Friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We, as an interior and exterior design expert, share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Are you looking to revamp your home's interior with a stylish and functional staircase design? Look no further. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the latest modern staircase design ideas that will inspire your next renovation project. From sleek and minimalistic to bold and statement making, we will explore a range of styles and materials to suit every taste and budget. Whether you are looking to update a traditional staircase or design a new one from start, our expert tips and examples will guide you through the process. Here are some tips for incorporating lighting, railing, and other design elements to enhance the overall aesthetic of your modern staircase design. Layered lighting is used as a combination of overhead lighting, wall sources, and step lights to create a layered lighting effect that highlight the staircase's design features. LED lighting under the trends or along the railing to create a modern high-tech look. Ambient lighting use floor lamps or table lamps placed at the landing or near the staircase to create a warm, inviting ambience. Highlighting design features use spotlight or traditional lighting to highlight specific design features such as beautiful railing or a stunning piece of art. If we talk about railings, choose a railing material that complements the overall aesthetic of your staircase, such as glass, metal, or wood. Select a railing design that fits your staircase style, such as a minimalistic, ornate, or industrial look. Adjust the baluster spacing to create a sense of openness or coziness depending on your desired aesthetic. Ensure the railing height is comfortable and safe for users, while also considering the overall visual appeal. Add a pop of color textures with a statement runner or carpet on the stairs. Hang artwork, mirrors, or other decorative elements on the walls adjacent to the staircase to create visual interest. Add some greenery such as potted plants or a living wall to bring in touch of nature and freshness. Choose a color scheme that complements the overall aesthetic of your staircase and the surrounding space. Add decorative accessories such as newel posts, finials, or stair brackets to enhance the overall design. Ensure that the design elements you choose don't obstruct the flow of traffic or create a sense of clutter. Balance the design elements to create a sense of harmony and visual appeal. Incorporate personal touches such as family photo to make the staircase feel more welcoming and unique. Don't forget to consider the functionality of the design elements, ensuring they are safe, durable, and easy to maintain. By incorporating these tips into your modern staircase design, you will create a visually stunning and functional space that enhances the overall aesthetic of your home. Whether you are a homeowner, architect, or interior designers, this video is packed with ideas and insights to help you create a modern staircase that's both functional and visually stunning. So sit back, relax, and get ready to elevate your home to the next level. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.